Jai Hind everyone. Children, today we are going to learn adjectives and their kinds. What are adjectives? If you see the definition of adjective in your grammar book, you'll find that an adjective is a word that is used to describe a noun or pronoun. But in a simple language, if I would like to explain you what is an adjective always describes the kind or quality of a person, place or thing, also known as descriptive adjective. These words characterize the attributes of a noun, providing details about its size, shape, color, condition, behavior or general features. Now look at this example. Arav is a clever boy. Here clever is a word which describes the kind of a person, means how Arav behaves. What kind of a person is Arav? And here boy is a noun describing a boy. Let's see another example. I saw a French film last night. Here French is a word which is describing the kind of movie. Now let's do this exercise. Adjectives of quality. Now here you have to fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives of quality. Her mother is very, then you have a gap. Here you have to fill the correct answer, but here you can fill any word which describes the nature of her mother. You can write here her mother is very kind, polite, or sincere, or hardworking. You can use any word which describes her mother's nature. Now the second sentence you have Sachin bought a dash, you have and then car. So Sachin bought a big car, small car, or here you have to write describe the car's condition. Okay. Now the next sentence is the story was, then fill this, the story was amazing or interesting or uh, wonderful. You can use any word here. Now the fourth sentence you have the dash blanket kept me warm. So here you can use any word. Here you have to use the quality of the blanket, the woolen blanket or the warm blanket kept me warm. You can use any word here which describes the quality of that blanket. Now next you have the dash dog barked at the dash ball. So here you can write, you can describe the type of dog or you can describe the condition of the dog, whether the dog was angry, aggressive or frightened. You can describe that. Okay, the frightened dog barked at then describe the ball, colorful ball or black ball or unfamiliar, ball. Okay, you can write any word here. Now let's move on to the next slide. Adjectives of quantity. So here fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives of quantity. The car gave him some trouble or a lot of trouble. Okay. So here you have to mention the quantity. Quantity always describes the amount of a noun, answering how much or how many. Okay, like some, any, much, little, enough, all, whole, half, no, most, several. These are all determiners. Okay, determine how much or how many. So the car gave some trouble. There is little water in the bucket. I ate the whole cookie. We have some milk. We have some milk for cereal. Give me some money before I leave. Here you can use, your answer may vary here. So here you can see that we have used we have uncountable nouns or a singular noun. Like here trouble, uncountable noun, water, uncountable, Cookie, countable but singular. Milk, uncountable noun. Money, uncountable noun. So before uncountable noun, we use determiners like some, any, little, more. Okay. Adjectives of number. Adjectives of number always indicates the figures, okay, numbers. Like here are 10 rupees for you or 20 rupees for you. Your answer may vary in these blanks also. Dash people helped him. Some people helped him. Several people helped him. You can write. The dash book in the series. The last book or the first book in the series is my favorite. There are dash cookies left in the jar. So there are some cookies left in the jar, or there are many cookies left in the jar. You can mention. She has many dogs and a cat. She has two dogs and a cat. You can mention. You can mention here uh, number, or you can mention the quantity or determiner. Next we have demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives is a word when we use this, that, those, points or identifies a specific noun phrase indicating its position or time. So it functions as to determine always appearing directly before the noun or modifies and answer the questions which one or which ones. So these refer to things that are close to the speaker, and when we use that or those, refer to the things that are farther away from the speaker. Like here you can see the examples. Please give me this gel pen to write something which is very closer to you. These flowers smell adorable. You have many flowers but near you, so you can use these. I'm so grateful for all that you have done. My dream come true by visiting this place. So you're pointing towards something, you're pointing towards a noun. He wants those skating shoes for practice. Next we have interrogative adjectives. In interrogative adjectives we generally ask questions. We use which, what, whose that modify a noun to ask a question. Appearing before the noun, they describe as seen in examples here. Which of these cakes is the tastiest? What did you do yesterday? What are you looking for? Whose idea was that? Which restaurant did you go yesterday? So it asks for information about the noun. Next we have possessive adjectives when we use my, your, her, his, its, our, your, their. So possessive adjectives is a word placed before a noun to show ownership or connection, using words like my, your, his, her, its, our and their. Now you can see example here. My shirt is green. So my means belong to me. Your book is new. Your belong to you. His pillow is soft. His we use for male person or thing. It's generally we use for singular thing or animal. Its bone is small. Next, their car is slow. So they belong to them. They act as, these all act as determinants.